Welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. Today in this video, I am participating in the monthly challenge that's being hosted by Beatrice over at Bomb Bee DIYs, and she has a different co-host every month. Well, I was a co-host for the month of March, but she did an additional challenge for Easter, and we are to take $5 and go to Dollar Tree, purchase items, and do a home decor DIY for $5 or less. And in this challenge, it has to be Easter related. So I only spent $2, and what I purchased was this sign, and I already had this burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I've already cut it down to size. What I am going to do is make a cross. We're going to represent Easter, and the cross is going to represent Jesus dying on the cross. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to take all this out and I'll be back. Okay, so what I've done is taken everything apart, and I'm going to use this side of the sign and create me a cross using this burlap. And that's going to represent Jesus dying on the cross. So what I'm going to do is glue this down. Go ahead and glue it all the way front to back. And I'm also going to use this jewel that I got from the Dollar Tree as the center. So I'll be using it also. What I'm going to do is gather this in the middle like that and glue that down. Eyeball and make sure it's straight and it looks straight to me. Okay, see how that gathered? Okay, then I'm gonna put this one across and I'm gonna gather it also. That's why I'm gonna need this jewel to go in the center. Together. I'm just gonna glue this part down and I'll be back. This is what we have. So I'm gonna glue this directly on here. Forgot about the fact it may not even fit in the frame. Let's see. I just have to take this. Let me try it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take the glass out, and I can use this glass on another project. So I'll do it this way. home decor piece for the $5 Goodwill challenge. This represents Jesus dying on the cross to save me from my sins. So thank you to Beatrice for hosting this challenge, and also for her co-host Joanne of A Work in Progress for hosting this Easter edition of the $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. And this is it. This is my February DIY I did. I just glued some frames from the Dollar Tree together and put pictures of my granddaughter in there and made me a picture cube. And I added some roses. So as you can see, I do use my DIYs that I make from the Dollar Tree. I enjoy making them. So this is it. So stay tuned. I have a bonus for anyone who's interested. I have another Easter related DIY, but it is not a home decor. So stay tuned. I thank you for coming back to see my bonus. Look what I made. This cute little Easter bunny card that I've seen on Pinterest. So I decided to do this. This would be a fun little DIY for children. So I just wanted to do this. This was fun to do. So this is it. Then just put Happy Easter in there. And I also will be reviewing some erasable ink pens. I want to thank PARKOO. That's the name of the company that sent me these erasable ink pens. They sent me 2 sets. And thank you to PARKOO for sending me these erasable gel pens to review. I got 6 in there and 7 in here. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And the items you're going to need for some of these, I forgot the name of them, but anyway, I got some of these. You need some pom-pom balls. If you watch my Dollar Tree haul, that's why I got these pom-pom balls. And I already had the googly eyes, but Dollar Tree sell the googly eyes. So that's what we're gonna be doing. The first thing I did is I eyeballed the template from Pinterest and just kind of eyeballed it. This is the template. I just kind of eyeballed it from Pinterest, and I'll link the video, my inspirational video that I got off Pinterest. And you just fold your paper in half. I decided to use this poster board paper that you get from the Dollar Tree, or either you can just use a poster board. I wanted my cards to be kind of sturdy. Review on the erasable gel pens first. So this one has the rubber tip right here, and all you do is just push this little handle down to expose the tip. And it has a little rubber part on it. You got to pull that off. I found that out the hard way. Okay, I'm just gonna write something. You see this little end? Is that not neat? It erased it. That is neat. So we're going to do the other one. And this one just has the top that comes off, and the eraser is right here. See that? All gone. Alright, so now we're gonna decorate. I've already glued the ears. I've already pulled my which comes apart. And on the ears, you just leave that part in the middle open.